Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica. Begin by sketching the car's basic proportions using light lines. Think about its overall length versus its height to capture that iconic low-slung profile. Next, establish the ground line and the car's wide stance. This initial framework is crucial for ensuring your drawing has the correct foundation before adding any details. Take your time with these foundational steps. Now, let's define some of the Huracan Tecnica's most striking features. Carefully draw the sharp, angular headlights and the signature hexagonal air intakes on the front bumper. These elements give the car its aggressive face. Next, focus on the prominent wheel arches and the large, dynamic wheels, ensuring they fit within your initial proportions. Don't forget the aggressive front splitter and the sculpted side skirts that enhance its aerodynamic look. With the main features in place, it's time to add more intricate details and depth. Refine the body lines, paying close attention to the car's aerodynamic curves and sharp creases. Move to the rear, sketching the complex diffuser and the distinctive exhaust pipes. These elements are key to the Tecnica's powerful aesthetic. Finally, add the side mirrors and the subtle panel lines on the doors, bringing more realism to your drawing. For the final touches, apply shading to give your Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica drawing depth and dimension. Use varying pressure to create darker shadows under the car and in recessed areas, contrasting with lighter tones for reflections on the bodywork. This technique makes the car appear three-dimensional. Add any final small details, like brake calipers or window tints, to complete your masterpiece. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals to enhance your space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.